Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kozyrev time mirror. First, gather your materials. You'll need a large, thin sheet of polished aluminum, ideally about 1/2 to 1.5 millimeters thick. This material is chosen for its reflective properties and its ability to interact with subtle energies. You'll also need some basic tools for shaping and securing the mirror. Next, we'll focus on shaping the mirror. The key is to create a concave, spiral, or cylindrical form. Gently bend your aluminum sheet to form an inward curve, ensuring it's wide enough for someone to sit within. Many designs utilize a Fibonacci spiral, which is believed to enhance the mirror's energetic properties. The inner surface must remain as smooth and reflective as possible. Now, let's assemble the structure. Once you have your desired spiral shape, secure it firmly using metal brackets, rivets, or durable zip ties at regular intervals. Remember to leave a vertical seam open, allowing for easy access. You might also want to add a small stool or cushion inside for comfort. Finally, position your completed mirror in a quiet, low-light environment to minimize distractions. To use your Kozyrev mirror, simply sit comfortably inside, perhaps with your eyes closed or a blindfold on. It's helpful to set a clear intention or focus on a specific question. Many users report sessions lasting from 15 to 40 minutes. During this time, you might experience altered states of consciousness, heightened awareness, or a unique perception of time. Enjoy your exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.